Guys, how are you? I hope you're fine and still keeping safe. If it's the first time you're meeting me, karibu sana, and my sweet name is Angie. Welcome on today's video whereby we'll be preparing our liver and also some spaghetti. With me, I have my water. It's already boiling. I've added some salt to give the spaghetti some taste. I'm not coming in with my spaghetti. Nimezivunja tu into two pieces, sorry. Ukishaeka kwa maji, you just stir them a little bit. It's advisable you keep stirring them ndio zisishikane. Keep stirring. You can cover them as well. Once you're done stirring, you can cover them and allow them to boil and also cook faster. At this point, my spaghetti are ready and I don't want them to be really overcooked. I've not gotten them off the cooker, and I'm going to run them with cold water so that they stop cooking anymore. And at this point, I'll stir them a little bit and then drain the water. As you can see, hakuna yenye imeshikana, zote ziko moja kwa moja. Yes. Our spaghetti are ready. You know guys, on today's ingredients I have my dhania. I have my 2 carrots. I've sliced them into small cubes. I have my spices over here. You can see some cubes, some tumeric, paprika, garlic, and some. I also have some nyanya and some grated garlic. I have 1 big red onion. I have my liver, nimeweka kwa bowl, then I've soaked it in milk. Hii maziwa inasaidia kutoa ule uchafu wenye kutoka kwa butchery after imeoshwa. I have my hoho, hii ni nusu, half of the green bell pepper, and I have my salt. Welcome, let's cook. But first, let's start by washing off the milk. It's good you wash off your milk until the liver is clean kabisa. At this point guys, remember the first step is preheating our cooking oil. Ndio tukiweka vitunguu zisiende zisisoak mafuta yetu, So it's ready. We now introduce our onions. We cook them until they're a bit golden fry. So keep stirring. Our onions are now ready. We introduce our tomatoes and the garlic. You can also use tomato paste. Remember the salt hack, guys. Tukiongezea chumvi kwa nyanya zetu, they'll get to soften easily and faster. Let's start. Nice. And now, guys, at this point we introduce our carrots and stir as well. Keep stirring. Remember, guys, as we continue stirring and introducing new ingredients, you also have to continue covering your food. And now we come in with our spices. I have my
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my apple. appetite. Don't leave me